Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to tell you what is a multi-touch issue a lot of viewers are facing in the Redmi K20 Pro. So first, let me show you what model I'm using right now in this video. So as you can see, a Redmi K20 Pro Snapdragon 855. So a lot of users are asking me, is there any touch issue in the Redmi K20 Pro model? So to test the touch issue problem in your device, you need to download the application called Multi-Touch Tester. So once you download the application, the problem is that when you're using the three fingers while playing the PUBG game, so there will be a slight movement in the two fingers, as you can see when you use the third finger while playing the PUBG game. So as you can see, guys, clearly there is a problem with the multi-touch in the Redmi K20 Pro. So this happens only if you're using the third finger while playing the PUBG gameplay. So let me show you in the Honor 9X device. So this is a Honor 9X. So where I install the same application, let me demonstrate you. So as you can see here, so there is no problem in the Honor 9X in terms of multitasking. So let me a little bit zoom in. So as you can see, there is no problem here in the Honor 9X. So now let me use the Redmi K20 Pro. So as you can see, there is a lot of movement going on with the other two fingers if you use the third finger. So this creates a problem while playing the PUBG game. So there will be a slight movement if you are using the third finger. So overall, still the problem did not resolve in the Redmi K20 Pro. So still there is a problem with the touch issues in the Redmi K20 Pro, guys. So thank you guys for watching this video. Check the links in the description for the playlist which contain full in-depth videos regarding the Redmi K20 Pro. So if you have any further queries, do let me know. So see you in the next video, guys. Bye.